Today we're taking a look at the Optronics low profile LED RV taillight. Now this is a round driver's side combination stop turn taillight that's great for your RV. It does have the LED license plate illuminator here on the base, and it also has your license plate mounting bracket, so all that's included. Now this unit is an LED system, so the long-lasting LEDs are great replacements for incandescent lights. They last longer, they burn brighter, and they're much more efficient, and you don't have to worry about replacing bulbs or worry about brittle filaments. It's a nice low-profile design, so that means that it does not stick out very far from the installation surface. It only has a depth measurement of 1 5/16 of an inch. It is a surface mount installation, so you have your 3 mount holes here on the back of the unit, and you gain access to those by removing the lens temporarily as you install your hardware. Mounting hardware is not included. Now this lens does have the reflex, which eliminates the need for a separate reflector, so you can see the unique design, how it's built in to the actual lens. When it comes to the wiring, it's a 3-wire design, so your white wire is your ground wire, black wire is your main power wire, and red is for the stop and turn lights. The unit features an acrylic lens and a plastic housing, so it's very strong and durable. It's SAE and Department of Transportation compliant. Taking a look at a few measurements, and then we'll hook it up to power. The overall diameter of the unit, that's going this direction. Actually, I'm going to measure the base because that's the widest point. That's 6 inches. And then from top to the bottom of the license plate bracket, so if there was a line going straight across here, that's what we're measuring to. That would be about 6 7/8 of an inch. The mount holes on the unit, these are separated on center by 4 1/4 inches. And this light contains a total of 10 LEDs or 10 diodes. So you have 6 right here for the main taillight portion, and then an additional 4 down here for the license plate light. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to power. That way you can see what it looks like with some power running to it. And then we'll also be able to turn off our overhead lights so you can see it in a lower light setting. So we'll get all of our wires connected. Again, the white wire is your ground wire. The black wire is the power wire. That would be for the tail light and the license plate light. And then the red wire is for the stop and turn signal. Make sure my wires aren't touching each other. Now this is going to be the tail light function. As you can see there, it sends out a nice consistent signal, and you got the white LEDs on the bottom, which would illuminate the license plate. When we apply our brakes, you can see how that signal output increases, and it'll do that same thing when we activate our turn signals. I'll show you what it looks like with the overhead lights on. It's one of the great things about LEDs is they're bright not only in daytime, but also in low light conditions. That's going to do it for today's look at the Optronics low profile LED RV taillight for the driver's side.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.